Hey everyone, welcome back to Iraqi Dinar Updates. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and eye-opening topic that's become more important than ever in 2025, how billionaires are protecting their wealth. With economic shifts, digital innovation, new global tax rules, and unpredictable geopolitical events shaking up markets, the ultra-wealthy are not just sitting back, they're moving smarter than ever before. You're going to want to pay attention to how the rich are safeguarding their fortunes because, believe it or not, some of these strategies can benefit everyday investors too. Let's start with something that might surprise you. One of the biggest moves billionaires make today isn't flashy or even new. It's diversification. But in 2025, diversification means much more than owning a few stocks, bonds, and some real estate. Billionaires are spreading their wealth across geographies, asset classes, and currencies. You'll find their money parked in private equity in Southeast Asia, commercial real estate in Dubai, tokenized assets in Switzerland, and even alternative assets like fine art, wine, and rare collectibles that appreciate quietly and aren't tied to the stock market's ups and downs. One of the smartest shifts we've seen this year is how the wealthy are adopting to global tax transparency. With the act cracking down on hidden offshore accounts and governments getting more aggressive about tax enforcement, billionaires are moving toward legal tax shelters. They're using trusts, family offices, and charitable foundations not just to reduce tax burdens but to shield assets from lawsuits, divorces, and inheritance battles. It's not about hiding money, it's about structuring it intelligently. A popular strategy in 2025 is the use of Dynasty trusts. These long-term structures are designed to hold and grow family wealth for multiple generations outside of estate taxes. And then there's the rise of citizenship by investment programs. More billionaires are becoming global citizens, not just for luxury or status, but for legal protection and flexibility. By acquiring second or third passports from countries like Kitts Nevis, Malta, or the UAE, they gain access to favorable tax laws, more secure banking systems, and most importantly the ability to move quickly if political unrest hits their home country. This trend has grown massively in 2025. Especially with the rise of digital nomadism and remote work making physical location less relevant for running global businesses. Now, let's talk about digital assets. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain-based investments are no longer speculative fringe ideas. In 2025, they're mainstream tools for wealth protection. But it's not about buying Bitcoin and hoping it skyrockets. The wealthy are using crypto in far more sophisticated ways, staking assets to earn passive income, investing in blockchain infrastructure, and even creating their own tokens backed by real-world assets. Privacy coins and decentralized finance platforms also offer security and flexibility that traditional banks simply can't match. Of course, they also understand the risks, so they're using cold storage, multi-sig wallets, and jurisdictional awareness to stay compliant and safe. Then there's insurance, and we're not talking about car insurance. Billionaires are leveraging something called private placement life insurance, PPLI. This strategy allows them to grow investments tax-deferred inside an insurance wrapper. It's like a supercharged retirement account but tailored for the ultra-wealthy. They also use key person insurance to protect their businesses, and umbrella liability insurance to protect against large lawsuits that could threaten personal assets. Private banking has also evolved in 2025. The ultra-wealthy aren't just stashing their cash in Swiss banks anymore. They're working with multi-family offices and elite private banks that offer tailored solutions, from custom debt structuring to exclusive investment deals in emerging markets. These institutions also provide geopolitical intelligence, legal guidance, and tax advisory all in one place. It's like having a Fortune 500 CFO working for your family. Another powerful but often quiet strategy is philanthropy. It may sound like just giving money away, but strategic philanthropy is a wealth preservation tool. By donating to donor-advised funds and private foundations, billionaires reduce taxable income, gain public goodwill, and maintain control over how the funds are used. They also use impact investing, where capital is directed toward ventures that align with their values but still produce financial returns. In 2025, it's all about blending profit and purpose. Let's not forget about real estate, which remains a favorite. But now, it's not just about luxury homes. Billionaires are investing in infrastructure, agricultural land, logistics centers, and data centers, all real assets that generate steady income and appreciate over time. In unstable economies, these hard assets offer tangible protection. Many are also buying property in politically neutral or economically stable countries as a hedge against domestic turmoil. Now, here's a quiet but growing trend in 2025, algorithmic wealth management. The rich are using proprietary AI tools to monitor markets, rebalance portfolios in real time, detect anomalies, and even simulate economic conditions before making a move. These tools are light years beyond what most retail investors use. When combined with human experts, they give billionaires a serious edge in preserving and growing other wealth. So, what does this mean for us savvy everyday investors or even those waiting for developments around the Iraqi dinar? It means we can watch and learn. You don't need billions to apply similar principles. Diversify your income. Invest in real assets. Use legal tax-advantaged accounts. Stay informed globally. And most of all, structure your finances to be resilient in any environment. Billionaires don't gamble, they prepare. They don't wait for crises, they hedge against them. And in 2025, with so much change and so much uncertainty, their wealth isn't protected by luck or chance. It's protected by knowledge, structure, and strategy. So that wraps up today's deep dive into how billionaires are protecting their wealth in 2025. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. And if you're watching because you're interested in the future of currency like the Iraqi dinar, stick with us. Understanding how global wealth moves will give you a much better view of what's coming next. Thanks for watching Iraqi Dinar Updates. See you in the next one. Stay smart, stay informed, and stay prepared.